We get more rumors on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, this time pretty much unwrapping what we should expect for the battery. New leaks for the Sony Xperia XZ3 emerge, and we wonder when we will get this phone. And it turns out Samsung's foldable smartphone might be a little too expensive for our taste. I'm Jaime Rivera. It is finally Friday in theory. This is a pre-recorded video because today's Father's Day. I'm going to be celebrating with my kids, if you don't mind. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. B&H is continuing on their streak of deals right now. We've got options for the Apple Watch, Galaxy phones, Moto phones, and the deals are ranging between $50 and $170. The list is significant, but definitely worth it. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about the Pixelbook, that all-expensive Chromebook that costs too much money and is so well-spec'd that you wonder why it just runs Chrome OS. And it seems that Google kind of figured that out as well. Up to the point where we've got rumors that they're already working on certifications for Windows 10 to run on a variant of the Pixelbook. I actually like this idea a lot. I can't wait for it to happen. I would pay the money that a Pixelbook cost if it ran Windows, but we'll see. Now let's talk about Samsung's Galaxy X, that foldable smartphone that keeps on giving. We hear that the display is going to range between somewhere around 7 inches diagonal when you extend it, 4 inches or less when you don't. That's going to be weird, but the weirdest part is the price tag. We hear that MWC is going to be the probable date and it'll cost somewhere around $2,000. So no, Samsung, particularly in the case where you're turning this into a tablet, and tablets don't really sell well, and you can buy a tablet for a lot less money, and a phone for a lot less money. You can buy both things combined for a lot less money, but we'll see. And how about if we talk about the Sony Xperia XZ3 or XZ2 Premium? We don't know what the name is going to be. We don't know what the dates are going to be, probably IFA hopefully, but the rumors are that we're getting dual cameras. But if you notice the leaks and the image, I mean, you could just grab the XZ2 and Photoshop another ring on that camera and move it south, which is what I noticed that they're doing. But I could be wrong. I was wrong about the OnePlus leaks. It turned out to be true. So yeah, we'll see what happens. And finally, the hottest news today are Galaxy Note 9. I am waiting for this phone, and we've got more credible sources chiming in on dates as we discussed yesterday. We hear August 2nd or August 9th possibilities. Most important is the battery size. I don't know how the company is going to pull it off, but we are hearing 4,000 milliamp hours. I am really looking forward to a battery of that size, but in today's question, let us know. In addition to a larger battery, what else would you like to see from Samsung's Galaxy Note lineup? Oh my God, because in my case, if they would launch a tablet that would be just as good running Android, I'd be happy, but that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. I know my rumors are a bit far-fetched or my preference. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our thoughts on the always connected PC down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next week.